Hey guys, it's me Shalini Niranjan. I'm from UP and I finished my college from Delhi. And this is my studio, Draperies. And it's been, I'm completing 1 year. We are celebrating first anniversary and expanding my business. And I have more than 13 years work experience in this field, fashion industry. Just one or two brands I can disclose. There is a clause, so I cannot disclose everything. Yeah, my product is all about designing. I'm a typical designer, okay? This studio is all about my artwork, handcrafted, and I have so many artisans in my hand. Bundelkhand is my main motto. I'm working with lots of chanderi and all kind of silk. And now my focus is Andhra, okay? And I love this city, Vizag, and I'm working with beautiful people, okay? And I work with the main fabrics, Banarsi, that is called brocade, and chanderi, all kind of silk and cotton. Mal cotton will be there, and what else thing? Once you'll see my studio, you'll understand my work. And kids workshops, yes, my workshop. I'm doing so many workshops, all kind of art stuff and designing. And yeah, soon, very soon, I'm gonna open my institute also, and I tie up with the MSME. Thank you, guys.
హలో వైజాగ్, నేను రాధిక. ఈ డ్రేపరీస్ స్టూడియో మా ఫ్రెండ్ శాలిని ఓపెన్ చేసింది, ఇది ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసింది. యాక్చువల్ గా 1 year సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము దీనికి. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఆల్ అండర్ వన్ రూఫ్ లాగా, లైక్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ కలెక్షన్స్, డిజైనింగ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, స్టిచ్చింగ్ దగ్గర నుంచి అన్ని ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ షాప్స్ లైక్ క్లే మోల్డింగ్ ఆర్ జ్యువెలరీ డిజైనింగ్, ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ డిజైనింగ్ అండ్ డాన్స్ క్లాసెస్, మ్యూజిక్ క్లాసెస్ అన్ని కూడా ఇక్కడ కండక్ట్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు బి పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ డ్రేపరీస్. అండ్ ఈవెన్ మీకు డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ జ్యువెలరీస్ కానీ, డిజైనర్ లెహెంగాస్ అండ్ డిజైనర్ డ్రెస్సెస్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ మీకు ఇక్కడ దొరుకుతాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
This is a bonanza for sight, and to find such a beautiful place in Vizag is something that I never expected. I wish Shalini many more happy birthdays of her institution. Thank you.
Shalini, she is now president for JCI Vizag Unicorn, and she's a Niftian. తను ఒక ఢిల్లీ నిఫ్టియన్ అయి ఉండి ఇక్కడ వైజాగ్ వచ్చి ఇంత స్టోర్స్, ప్లస్ షీఈస్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ సమ్ ఆర్టిజన్స్, లైక్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ జర్దోజీ చేసే వాళ్ళతో, లైక్ డిఫరెంట్ థ్రెడ్ వర్క్ చేసే వాళ్ళతో, లైక్ మీ లైక్ సోప్స్ చేసే వాళ్ళతో, అందరితో కలిసి అందరివి అన్ని కలిపి తను ఇక్కడ ఒక స్టోర్స్, తను డిజైన్ చేసిన తన డ్రాపరీస్ అని దీంతో ఒక స్టోర్స్ ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్న చాలా హ్యాపీ ఉంది. ప్లస్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ యూనిక్ స్టోర్, అంటే దే డిజైన్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద పీపుల్. Really hats off to Shalini and all the best for the Shalini.
I think draperies in Visakhapatnam, and being a brother-in-law, I am very proud of my sister-in-law Salni, and this is excellent collection. Not only collection, rather it's handmade things. So many handmade things for new ladies, new era ladies, I should say, and the all traditional satire also. So many, I think, attires are you can say having a traditional things along with the other jewelry. So many things. So I wish her all the best, and for future expansion of such kind of things, such kind of outlets in Visakhapatnam and other regions also. Thank you.
All kind of outfits for kids, for ladies, accessories, and everything is amazing. Please do come and check this studio. Thank you.
Hello, everyone, I am Supraja Tarlana, a young and bold girl from Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. I have won the Miss Andhra Pradesh 2023 first runner-up. So today I am here at Draperies. So do you know what is Draperies? Draperies is one of the unique boutique in Vizag. So I doubt that our international boutique is in Vizag. So let's see. So Shalini is the owner of this boutique. She is an international designer. She won national award. She has a wide range of varieties. Entering into the boutique is like entering into the world full of fashion and arts. So here we have kids, Indo-Western, women and Western, and also the most customized outfits ever. So the best part of this boutique is we can customize whatever we want. Either it is Indo-Western, Western, traditional or anything. So in the boutique, I love this lehengas. So you can see the lehengas and I love the red and pastel lehengas over there. So do visit this boutique. It's near Panduranga Swami Temple, Axis Bank opposite. Thank you, Shalini, for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Hello Vizag, I'm Manjira Reddy. I'm Miss Star Andhra Pradesh 2023 runner-up. So I have visited this Draper's boutique on the occasion of 1 year anniversary, and the collection is so amazing that it's really heart touching for you when you look at each and every masterpiece, because the collection is from the kids range. The kids range are so good and they are so eye catchy, and at the same time the lehengas were like awesome because you can see all kind of wedding collections here, and also you can get customized your collections. And I have also seen that they're gonna do a recycling of our old clothes to the new ones. So do visit the Draperies and get your best collection from here. Thank you.
Hi, this is Deepshika, and we are coming like first time here, and all the collection are very good, especially these lehengas.
For me, I like all the collections like blouses, quad set and lehenga, and like in Vizag, this is the first time I'm liking something, and I'm definitely gonna take something with me.
Shalini is a very knowing designer for Vizag. It's not new for us. She is our friend too. So collection is super. Please, everyone, please come here and enjoy the collection and new creativity of her.
And do visit and support her also. Thank you.
Name is Dharani and I'm from Vizag. So as Draperies has completed its 1 year, so we have came to visit this studio and love the collections of Indian wear, which is especially the lehengas, and I love it more, and thank you.
I am Jyoti from Vizag. Just now I came to visit this Draperies studio. I'm so happy, and I would like to say one thing, especially the kids collection is amazing and I loved it so much. Thank you.
I'm Saujanya. I just came to Draperies. Draperies is celebrating its anniversary today, and she has expanded a lot of designs this year, and the collection is wonderful. The Indian wear is, she has a exclusive range of Indian wear. That was nice. Come here.
More.